Coordinating and planning efficient work among MEP contractors is a very difficult task. It often results in wasteful single-trade supports, improvised fastening and fire stop solutions. Clashes on site, higher material use and unplanned costs are typical consequences. Support systems are not usually designed as a full application solution, including fire stop and anchors. This makes it challenging to get optimum results. By pre-designing support systems, including fire protection and anchors, we can build multiple disciplines into a single design proposal. By putting these solutions into your BIM model, you can realize massive optimization potential. When you identify clashes and finish the engineering work before installation begins, rework can be significantly reduced while safety can increase. Through multi-trade support systems, you can furthermore reach material savings of up to 50%. We provide suggestions for design optimizations and solutions, which include fastening and fire stop, enabling prefabrication and advanced logistics later on. Be with Hilti, BIM with Hilti.